the gate we're going to be changing today for a new one. Should be a fairly easy job. Just been to B&Q. This is YouTube, so shut up for it, unless you want to be on it.
No, I don't know.
I'll edit that bit out. Yeah, been to B&Q, got some wood. So I'm just laying it on the grass, measuring it, putting some support beams on. Boom, done. Just cut the 3 cross braces. I'll screw them together now. This bit will be the top end, so this will need to be shortened as well. Coming out alright, and then we'll do the diagonal bits between the braces. That should be fine. 3 cross pieces on, so I'm going to do the diagonal bits now. Screwing the diagonal pieces on now. Just got my little helper with me, you can just see her feet. Sheila's got a den in the garden, look at that! Secret. Don't tell anybody. It's ace. Won't get it fitted. Happy customer.